start understanding bank accounting. So here also we need some bank master. Okay, and so all the bank related transactions will get updated in bank accounting module. So so usually what we have done, we purchased materials or services from the supplier. You are making payment, but we used manual transaction. Okay, so I will explain here. So what we did by using FB60 transaction, we did vendor invoice, okay, and F-53 we used vendor payment transaction, but this is manual transaction. In case if you have multiple invoices, multiple vendors, then what you will do? You will do by using manual transaction. You have to post some thousand payments for the thousand vendors. Do you think that we'll do manually the payment? No, right? So for that we have automatic payment where we can use this program automatic payment program. So this program will consider all the vendors and all the invoices. So within fraction of minutes we can clear the payment to the vendor. So instead of running manual payment transaction, we can use this program, automatic payment program. We have certain configuration settings in SAP to clear your invoices. So let us understand this program, how to do the configuration. So there is a standard transaction code called FBZP transaction. Okay, press enter. So we have all these settings for the payment program. So let us understand one by one. All company codes, go to the new entries. So here company code, what is our company code, sir? M01, right? So Amazon India Private Limited, you're sending and paying company. Sometimes what happens? So you might have two company codes under group. Say for under Tata Group, you might have Tata Chemical Industries and Tata Automobiles. So you might have two company codes. In that case, what happens is one company code will say that on behalf of me, please you make the payment. Okay. So in such a scenario, we'll use the sending company code will be your sending company where the goods are sent. Okay, paying company on behalf of another company code, you're making the payment. So you'll update this company code here. So in our case, we don't have multiple company codes. We can use usually these scenarios very rarely used. Okay, sending company code and paying company code is same in our case. Separate payment per business area. So what happens actually? If you have, say for example, your vendor invoice, say this is your first vendor invoice 01. Okay, so you have this vendor name is there, some vendor A. You have business area some 100. Okay, so this two, same vendor invoice again, control C. So this is also business area 100. Now third invoice, same vendor, this is business area 200. What system will do? This program will make payment all together for all the line items with one payment. But if you want to differentiate by business area, yes, that can be done. So for these two items, system will make the payment with one payment, and this for this another line item, system will make payment with another document. So this one will get posted with one document. This will get posted with one document. This can be done only when you are activating separate payment per business area. So payment will be based on business area. If you are activating this option, if you want to make payment for these two items, with 100 business area. For this item, system will make the payment with another document. Is that clear? Is that clear, guys? See, all these are not required. You can ignore this, all these. Click on save. This is not ours. Amazon. Select your Amazon group. Continue. So as of now, at least for the basic scenario, you can understand by just enter your sending and paying company code as company code AIM01. Paying company codes. So here new entries. Paying company code is AIM01. Minimum amount for incoming. This is we are not using this one since we are making payment to the vendors. It's outgoing payment. So if I mention 1,000 rupees here, so below 1,000 rupees invoices will not consider. It will consider only minimum amount for outgoing payment. The invoices which are with 1,000 and more than 1,000, it will consider. Understood? So in this case, what we should do, if you have less than 1,000 rupees, then we should, I mean, at least update with 1 rupee. This is also important. Separate payment for each reference. So just like business area, if you have for each vendor invoice, if you have separate reference here, reference number is 01. So this is something reference is 02. This is separate 02. In that case, system will consider these two documents as one document. The payment will be done for these two items and separate document for this item since reference is difference. So that's the reason separate payment for each reference. Click on save. Okay. So just adding your company codes. Payment method. Now how you're making payment method? I mean, so in what method that you're making payment? Whether check or cash or like a transfer. Usually bank transfer will be used in most cases. What we'll do? We'll copy, select the country since we are like defining for the country. So here select some bank method with the T. Since I think it is already used, let us select this one only. I mean, you can select it. Basically, what I'm going to do here, I will give payment method, some identification. Not sure if someone has used. Let us give something A. Let us remove this one. This is for AM01. If this is not available, if someone has used already used this indicator, then I have to change the indicator. Outgoing payments, bank transfer. Okay, payment method used for bank transfer. So this is allowed for personal payment. This is activated I mean because of if you want to make payments to the employees. Employees are personal pay. Employees basically called personal. And while making payment to the vendors, if you activate these parameters, then system mandatory will check. In the vendor master, your vendor should have PO box, or if you are activating this one, the vendor should have PO box or postal code. And also vendor should have bank details like IBAN number or SWIFT number. If you don't activate this one, then system will not check at the time of payment. Okay. On the right side, these are the document type for making the payment to the vendors. When we are executing this program, system will consider these document types. ZP. So you should have number range for ZP. Scroll down. You can ignore the other details. I'm not sure we'll have this indicator available or not. Click on copy. So someone has already used A. So what we'll use? We'll use M. AM, right? M. So M is available. So I'll just repeat the key fields. So country is India. Payment method I'm using M. Bank transfer for AM01 company code. I want to use this payment method for outgoing payment to the vendors, outgoing payments. And also this is for the bank transfer payment method and just activated with this payment method can be used for making payments to the employees also. And if you're activating these indicators, then system mandatory will check the parameters while making the payment. This is your document type for for making the payment to the vendors by using this program, payment program. Click on see copy. So it's already copied. Press enter. So this is it came here. Click on save. So we created one payment method for our company code. Okay. Currency is allowed. Select your indicator. Currency is allowed. So now if you don't maintain any currencies here, then system will consider any currency. If I maintain currency here, then system will make payment for only for this currency with this payment method. So basically I'm just giving currencies here for this payment method applicable. If I keep it blank, then any currency is applicable for this payment method. But usually, so it depends upon the business requirement. Permitted destination countries, yes. With this payment method, I can pay for any country. If you are updating only India, then this payment method is applicable only for Indian country. Others are other not required. Okay. So what we have done, we have created payment methods in country. Any questions? Since this is very important, any questions? Is it straightforward? Okay. So back. Now payment method in company code. Earlier country, now company code. So what we'll do? Go to the new entries. Your payment company code is AM01. Since we are making payment from this company code, and payment method is M. Okay. Minimum amount and maximum amount. You can maintain the details if you want. And on the right side, so don't change anything here. We'll keep it as it is. Just press enter. Click on save. So in case if you want to make payments for the foreign vendors, so in that case you should activate foreign business partner allowed, foreign currency allowed. If the customer if or when I mean basically if the vendor is bank, if the vendor's bank is abroad, then we have to activate this one. Okay. So as of now we are testing the basic scenario here. Back. Now very important thing, house banks and bank determination. I'll tell you, I will explain you the main part here. Okay. Now, so usually in real time what happens when you make a vendor invoice, right? Just listen carefully, it is very important. Vendor invoice. What is the accounting document? Anyone? Expenses, right? Expenses to vendor account. Okay. So in real time, here what happens here? Inventory account. You're purchasing some materials. So inventory. Just assume that. Now this is your debit. This is your credit. So something like 2000 rupees. 2000 rupees. Sorry, here. This is your GRIR account. It's a goods received, invoice received account. Okay, just assume that expenses to vendor for now. At the time of vendor payment, what you will do? Vendor to bank account. Okay, so this is 2000. This is 2000. Now, here bank is your bank outgoing account because we are making payment to the suppliers outgoing account. This is called clearing account. Okay, this is called clearing account. We'll create as open item. As open item. Now, why we are creating as clearing open item? Because I don't know, so I don't just see my amount is in the bank. Now the bank has directly it has been sent amount from bank to the vendor. Now as a company owner, I don't know whether the amount is sent to vendor or not. When I will come to know, bank will be sending bank statement. So will receive. So all these details will be sent to the bank. So about details will be sent to bank. These details. So based on these details, now what will do? Bank will do? Bank will make payment. Right? After make payment, what they will do? Again, bank will send information to company. This is called bank statement. Do you agree, guys? Even for you also will receive bank statements from bank. Do you agree? You will receive bank statements. Huh. Now this bank statement in SAP will use to upload the bank statement. So basically it's part of your bank reconciliation. Bank statement will be uploaded in SAP via electronic bank statement program, EBRS program, electronic bank reconciliation statement program. At this time, at this stage, again accounting document, what happens? This clearing account will get debited. Control C, Control V. This becomes debit, and this your the main bank account. This main bank account, this is called main bank account will get credited. Actual account. This is called house bank. Main house bank of the companies. House bank. Is it clear? Now we need to create one house bank account and we need to create one outgoing account. So initially at the time of payment via APP program. So this is when execute APP automatic payment program will make payment via this account. So this information will be sent to the bank. Based on this information, bank will make payment to the to suppliers or vendors, and bank will send information to company. This is called bank statement. So bank statement will be uploaded in SAP via EBRS program. Any questions here that you don't that you are not able to understand here, that you did not understand, that you did not understood? So similarly, this is for outgoing account, right? Bank outgoing. So usually what at the time of so customer make payments to company. So it will create one more account as incoming account. Sometimes additional. Yes, because to we don't know, right, whether we received the amount or not. So we don't know whether the payment has been made to the vendor or not. The bank is making payment to the vendors. So that information is missing with us. That information only will receive only via bank statement. Okay. So I mean of course it's a other side what it will happen, customer. So customer payment will be done direct to the bank account. So we don't know how much weight amount we received. So for time being we'll update in bank incoming account. This is also incoming clearing account which is open item. So this will get cleared only at the time of bank statement. So basically, as of now, what we'll do, we'll create one main bank account, one outgoing account, one incoming account. So house banks, So here, uh, I don't see here position. Company code is AM01. Select your company code, click on house banks, click on new entries, house bank. So let us create one bank, something S bank. I'll just put it as AM. Okay, S bank. So other users will be assigning the same bank name. So what I'll do, Amazon S bank. Okay, MS. So your bank country. So in country. So bank key. Some I'm just giving some values. Okay. So every bank will have some bank key. Click on create. So here I'm creating bank related details like bank name is S Bank, bank branch you can give some details over there and you can update the address details. So this is something Hyderabad, postal code you can give something. Okay, let me give some different number. This is fine. Give some bank number. Okay, click on continue. So this is fine. Click on save. So what I have done, sir, what I had given here, that bank related details I had maintained here. That's it. Bank related details are maintained here. Bank address details, the bank unique number, all the details have been entered here. Now click on bank accounts. Read access only. Now usually in ECC system I was able to create from here. Now this transaction has been given to the users. Users are maintaining the details here, but they're maintaining details via NetWeaver Bank. It's a separate link we have. Okay, from here. Advanced, click on continue. So enter the details, same user and password. So king, and this also some password. So click on activity, click on log on, save. Actually not required, but it's fine. So from here under S Bank, you have to mention. So how it works? Sir, I have just imagine my company's bank is S Bank. Now I say that S Bank has one branch in Naranaguda and one branch you have under Uppal, one branch you have Himayatnagar, right? Your account exists in Naranaguda, your account exists in Uppal, your account exists in Himayatnagar. So this is your house bank and this is your account branch. Okay. So as of now we created this bank. Now we have to create branch. Which area? That is called account ID in SAP. This is called account ID. This is identification. This is for your understanding. So come back to the screen. Now we are entering the details. Now you have opened account. I want to put this one as from April 1st. Okay. And my closing date definitely it will be the same thing. Your company code AM01 and account holder. You can give some XYZ. So bank country region, it's in India and bank key we already entered, right? Bank key we already entered. So you can select it from here. So where is ours, sir? Okay, not this is not ours. Let us select S bank. This starts with this is the one S bank. So select this one. Yes Bank. If you have doubt, 874585, you can select it here. This is the correct. So go back to the this H. So it's coming automatically bank number. Currency is INR. The bank currency definite. This is your INR. Account number. Now you have to maintain your account number. Use some account number. Account type. What is your account type, sir? It's a current account usually. It's a business account, right? Current account. So this is fine. Now go back to the house bank account connectivity. Here, click on add. Now you have to give your GL account. This is your main bank, house bank account here. House bank account. So what I'll do, I'll go with another transaction FS00. We are creating S bank main bank account. FS00. So assets, it's a bank related. So what I'll do, so initially just this is only for testing purpose. I have created one account, but now we'll create a S bank account, main bank account. So this is not ours, sir. This is not our company code. Change the company code. What is our company code? AM01 assets. So our bank account, this is your initial testing purpose. I have created this one. Now we'll create the main house bank account 1011. Okay. Sorry, again mistake. This one we should not enter, right? So this one again change it to AM01. Now we can change it to, you can select the assets, click on create. Now what we'll do? We'll assign 1011. Now change this one to AM01. This bank account belongs to balance sheet, account group belongs to assets. Now you can give S bank main. Okay, S bank main account. Okay, so click on control data. So balances in local currency. This is normal. So you can give 001. If you see any bank related, you can assign it the sort key, but it's not mandatory. It's an optional. I don't think we have something with the bank related. You can assign value date. Usually value date is important for the banks. Create bank interest. Field status group. SAP has provided standard field status group, okay, which is bank account. See, obligatory value date. So value date means, so if you are giving check to me, right? So on which date the check will get cleared? That is called value date. Click on save. So we created one bank account, main bank account. Okay, now let us create one more account here, 1012, which is vendor payments. So vendor payments, I want to create it as balance sheet, same asset, same. So here what I'll do, S bank outgoing account, S bank outgoing. So this account will be used for making payments to the vendors. This is important. Control data, as I mentioned, we don't know whether the payment is received, whether the payment has been done to the supplier or not. For that purpose, I want to put it as open item management. Balance local currency, and here sort key can give 027. Click on create bank interest. This is also same G005, same. Click on save. The only important is here open item management. Yes, usually ఏంటంటే ఓన్లీ అసెట్స్ కి సెలెక్ట్ మన అసెట్స్ రిలేటెడ్ కి సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటాం. ఓకే, అంటే ఇది బ్యాలెన్స్ లోకల్ కరెన్సీ అని. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ పోస్టింగ్ ఇన్ ఫారెన్ కరెన్సీ యూ వాంట్ టు సీ ఇన్ ది లోకల్ కరెన్సీ, రైట్? Balances the values. So in that case we'll select it. Even though if I don't select it also, if see anyhow your account currency maintained in local currency only by default. Okay, so and one more scenario, if I maintain USD, for this account I can post only in USD. If I maintain in INR, if I maintain our company code currency here, then I can post the transactions in any currency. Okay, that is a key point there. So come back to the uh, our H. Here what is the account I have to give? So ACOA, our account is main bank account as I mentioned earlier. 1011, see it came here. Press enter. So this is fine. So additional data, if you want to give something, you can give. You can ignore, otherwise you can give the business area, profit center segment, whatever. So as of now, I have given only important fields here. The main thing is we had assigned our main bank account, house bank. Okay, click on save. So system is giving couple of description in language is not. Where is the description? Enter the house bank account ID also. This is fine. This is warning message. So two errors. Come back to general data. So no here. So system is throwing error here itself. So as I mentioned, we need some identification for this branch now. Which account you are going to create it, that you have to mention here. So I'll give some identification. So this S bank, some N1, some identification or 01. Okay, S01. This is fine. Click on again save. Now I see only one description language in is not maintained. So come back to general data. So click on save here. Click on here. So system is throwing message here. A red, it is showing in the red mark here. When I double click on the messages, system will take you to the error message. So this is nothing but English. So select it from here. What is this one? Oh, some description. I can just mention as current account. See, it's there. Okay, let it be current account. Or you can give some description for the bank account, some Naranaguda or something else. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, let me enter something here. Naranaguda branch. Current account. Okay, click on save again. Now this has been is getting saved. See, it is getting in the save process mode. Okay, bank account Narangoda branch created. So come back to the SAP screen, come back to this transaction. So under bank accounts, see here it's blank. So this is the transaction we created from this transaction. Okay. So when I clicked here, then only system has rerouted to the another web page. Now this has been not updated here. So come back here, just refresh the transaction. I mean, come back to the main screen once. Come out. So again go inside house bank's configuration setting. Go to the position AM01, select your company code, click on house banks. These details we entered here only, but under bank accounts we entered in web page via web page. Now it got updated here also in GI system. See, our house bank is AM Amazon's S bank. Under S bank we have this one S01, nothing but your Narangoda branch. Under that bank account number we had given, GL account we had given, INR currency. The bank details we entered here only initial screen. Okay. So these details has been updated. Come back. See, come back. So one more thing you have to see is your currency INR. This is important. Your GL account and currency. I hope no questions here. Come back to the bank determination. So here we have SAP has provided many options. Go to the position, paying company code AM01, continue, click on AM01, ranking order. Ranking order in the sense, say for example, if you have three banks, right? So under one house, so Narangoda branch or like Ramantapur branch or like Himayatnagar branch. So you have to give the ranking order one, two, three, something. Okay. So in our case, we don't have multiple banks. Payment method is our payment. What is the payment method we had created? What is the payment method, sir, we created? Yep, M. Okay. M bank transfer for M01. Currency is INR and ranking order. I want to make payment from this Narangoda branch. One. House bank is definitely it is house bank S AMS I think something. So anyhow, if you select it from here, it will system will update. Press enter. So this is done. Click on bank accounts. Click on your entries. Now here also select your house bank. So this one, select your payment method. M, your currency is INR, and your account ID. Here you have to mention which account, from which account that you are making, from Narangoda account, bank sub account. So this is your sub account. So this is your outgoing account. From this account only we are making payment when you execute the payment program. Earlier was your main bank account. Now this is your outgoing account. So here outgoing account 1012. So this is not required. Click on available amounts. Now you have to mention how much amount usually we'll mention as 999, but you have to mention amount. This is not ours. Select it from here. Click here. Bank account ID again. You have to select your respective branch. So under this branch, how much amount it is available here. So here currency, days to validate. This is something. Just enter 999. So here available for outgoing payment. Just 9. Enter 99 values here. Press enter. Okay. Click on save. Click on continue. This is 1 minute. We'll see what is the description for these days. So basically it is applicable. Number of days until charge or value date. The following specific amounts are only planned amounts. Okay, planned, where the value date on the bank account is expected within the number of days given here. Just you can ignore it. If you keep it blank also it's okay. It's a planned days. So within the days you are making payment something. So these three. So I'll just repeat it once again. You have entered your payment method under ranking order. You had mentioned the rank order. You have to rank from which bank that you want to make payment. Your currency in a house bank. Bank accounts also house bank, payment method, currency is account ID and bank sub account. This is your outgoing account. Available amounts you have to specify the amount here and with respect to Narangoda branch and with your house bank. So these are the steps, sir. So we are done with the settings now. Now what we should do? Now we should have some vendor invoice. For that vendor invoice, we need to make payment by a payment program. So we'll understand. We'll see how to make payment program. Will do we have slash o FPL one? And do we have open items? So let me check by company code AM01. Click on star search. So to that services, click on open items, execute. We have around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Many items are there. Okay, many items are there. 2 lakh something we have. Now we need to clear all these items. But there are certain prerequisites. Okay, what is the prerequisite? You have to go to the vendor master slash o BP or XK02. It will take me to the direct to payment transactions. Now, have we maintained vendor master's bank account to make payment? That also we need to check. So you can close this one. This is your blue dot services. So under payment transactions, you have to maintain your, we are under general data. We are not under company code data. Okay. We are under general data now, payment transactions. So here this, you have to give this one. Okay. No need to give anything here. Country key. Now vendor related bank key. I'm just maintaining the details, some value details, bank account details. Okay. Click on save. So system is asking vendor bank details. So HSBC, some branch, some Amirpet branch. It's a vendor details. Can you give the details? Click on continue. So bank with bank key in 34 does not have a bank number. So system is expecting some bank number. It's a warning message. So system is expecting some bank number. Click on no. Someone has changed the number ranges. See here, number ranges. So what I'll do here, select this one, click on bank data. So system is expecting this number also. Let us give some number. It's a warning message. You can ignore also, no worries. Click on save. Okay. So what I have done in the general data of vendor master had given bank details of vendor master, blue data services bank details. So whenever I make payment, so system will make payment to this bank. I mean, basically we are sending payment to this bank account. Go to the company code. Now I can default, I can default to this vendor by making this payment method. I can default to this vendor. What is the payment method that I'm using to make payment to this vendor? M, which is bank transfer. Okay. And also house bank. From which bank I want to make payment? From Narayanguda branch. I can default here itself. See. So two options are there here. Click on save. Now let us go ahead and execute the program. Slash O F110 is your payment program. Now at run date is some identification. When on which date you are going to execute this program? Today only I want to execute this program. Run date is, so this is MMDD or DDYY. It's a DD only. So date is 17 dot 07 dot 2025. Some identification AM01, some identification. Next time when you execute this program, you can give 02. Click on parameters. I have to give company code AM01 here and just make sure that it's just so since we are executing this program by default it is coming as posting date. Documents entered up to, so whatever the invoices we have, the open items will consider till this date. Okay. Company code AM01, payment method M, payment method, next posting date is 18/07. Tomorrow I want to execute again. This just you have to mention when you want to execute this program next time. So I want to execute tomorrow, just giving next posting date. This is important again. Supplier, what is a supplier? We have one supplier, right? Open items. I can copy it here, but it's fine. Click on continue. So here Blue Dot services. So as of now we have only one supplier. Copy. Click on free selection. Don't select anything. Additional log. So select due date check, payment method selection if not successful. Basically, so this will help if your payment program is not successful. To identify the errors, we need these checks. So you can also copy it here. Here also you can copy vendors. So I'll get the logs. So if you're not able to make payment with this program, so at least I can go and check in additional logs. What are the errors are there? Print out data medium, just ignore. Don't enter any details over there. Click on S. So parameters has been entered. Now come back to the click on proposal. So proposal is just like a test run mode. You can see for which vendors you are making payment, for which invoices you are making payment. For everything we can see it from here. Proposal. Click on start immediately. Click on continue. Press enter. Press enter. So payment proposal has been created. Now we'll see what we'll see. Click on display proposal. So system is getting red color now. Why? If you double click here, so you will see all the items. These are the different items. These are the different open items. 408 to 418. So all items are coming here. But what is the issue? So system is not able to identify a house bank payment method. I don't see anything. So at the time of posting these transactions, we have not updated any bank. We have not updated anything for these invoices at the time of posting. So system is showing us exception. Come back. So we'll understand what is the error. Even I don't know what is the error. So error display proposal log. Log. So here you can see the program has been started. Additional log for this vendor. So due date additional log 408 line items 25 terms of payment. This is fine. Payment must take place before 25/6. Next payment is on 18/7. This is fine. Cash discount. All these are fine. But what about the error? Due date determination. Temp payment. This also okay. This also okay. This also okay. So here. So this also okay. So here its system says that payment method selection for items due not to the amount of rupees. So it is giving so total amount 2003 something. Come back to the program. This is okay. Items due to the amount. Payment method M is being checked. Payment amount is not within the limits allowed. So system is giving this message, sir. Payment amount is not within the limits allowed. No permitted payment method exists. Two messages we are saying here. Payment method is not within the limits allowed. 00. So what we should do, we'll go back to the configuration. Somewhere something is missing. So payment method in country. So this is your M payment method. Double click here. So we don't have any minimum amount here. Come back for the company code. So here M. So minimum amount. So we have to mention minimum amount here. So we had kept it as blank, right? 0. So click on save here. Enter maximum amount that is greater than the minimum amount. You can I'll put it as maximum amount. Press enter. Click on continue. So system is expecting maximum amount here also. Come back. So that is one issue I see. We'll run the program. We'll see if this message will get disappeared or not. No permitted payment method. We'll come back again. So now we have the issues. We rectified at least one issue now. We'll see whether whatever the issue that we rectified it is correct or not. Also we don't know. We'll restart the program. But how to restart the program? Go to the edit mode, proposal, delete it your proposal run. Whatever the proposal run I have done, that you have to delete it first. Okay, just click on status once. Again, go to the proposal. I'm just restarting the proposal. Start immediately, click on continue. So press enter. So again, proposal has been created. Go to the display proposal, but still I see errors. Come back, go to the proposal log. So here now also same thing, we'll see. All these initial issues are same. We'll see what is the issue. So here now that issue has been resolved, sir. That issue has been resolved. 418 grace days. Payment must take place, but this is also fine. Item is due with the cash discount. Exchange rate different accounts. So some differences are coming due to exchange rates that your group currency. Okay. Exchange rate different accounts are incomplete for the account 2001 currency. 2001. What is your 2001, sir? So system is showing as a sundry creditors for. So system is expecting some gain or loss accounts. So have we created some accounts? So here we have exchange rate, gain on exchange rate. Okay. So we can use the same account. So loss accounts. So 3002 is gain loss account, and here we have 4006. Let us assign that. Where we'll assign slash OBA1. Okay, we assign the exchange rate different accounts. Click on KDF transaction key, continue. So here 2000. What was the error here? Error is for 2001. Go to the transaction 2001 here. Just maintain 2001 here, which is sundry creditors. Don't give currency. Let if you are keeping black, so it is applicable for all currencies. If you give specific currency, it is applicable for only this currency. So exchange rate difference realized. So what I will do here, I'll just give respective loss account, respective gain account. So this is happening. Why this system is asking this transaction now? Because someone has changed some exchange rates for the group currency USD. So what will you loss? Loss is nothing but loss on exchange rate. Here also you can give gain. Where is the gain here? Gain on exchange rate. Click on save. Continue. So we have rectified couple of errors now. Okay, that earlier message disappeared because system was expecting some minimum and maximum amount over there. Okay, so I had given, come back. So what we'll do again, delete your proposal run, delete it, refresh one more time, status, click on proposal again. So continue. So proposal has been created, click on display proposal. Still so now I can see, this is very good. Now we can see the green color. Double click here. So system updated your house bank and account ID and payment method. Earlier this is not updated because we faced some couple of errors. So what are the errors we faced, sir? One is system is expecting some loss gain accounts for your Sunday creditors, and also system is was expecting this transaction key. What is your minimum amount and what is your maximum amount for making payment? So you can control the payment from here also. Come back to the program. So under proposal run, under test run mode, I can see for this supplier, I can see all the items, all open items. Okay, come back. So here you can see so this is payment document. This is test run mode document number. So once you make payment, this will get updated. Now at the time of supplier, at the time of proposal run, some documents will get updated in the tables /o SC16N. So we have couple of tables REGUH, which is settlement data. So I don't think this will get updated. We'll see. Company code is AM01. Execute. So here you can see indicator proposal run. So under proposal run, I can see this one F111001. This is the one. So all the details are getting updated under table also. Settlement data for payment run, but this is proposal run mode, test run mode. Once I execute in the production mode, this will disappear. One more entry will updated here, will get updated here. This will not get disappeared, but it will update one more entry. So two entries you can see, one with the production run, one with the test run. Okay, we have two more tables, REGUH and REGUP. Press enter. You can give the same company code here, execute it. So you can see here. So this is also proposal run, that is showing for which documents you are making payment with this document. This is also proposal run only. Okay, we have one more table, US. This is accounts blocked by payment. This table is like in case you are executing payment program, but your vendor is blocked in your previous proposal run, in your previous payment run. So system will not allow to process the payment program if your account is blocked. Okay. So come back to the program. Now come back. Now I'm executing the program with payment run tab here. Click on payment run. Start immediately. Click on continue. So just press enter or click on status. So payment run has been cancelled. Why? But in the proposal run, I see it is in green mode, but still the payment is run has been cancelled. This is something strange. Let us understand the display proposal log. Even I don't know. So system is clearly giving that till here it is fine. Till here it is fine. But system is not giving anything a hint here. Okay. So currency, I don't think this is a issue. Okay. Come back to the configuration once. What could be the issue? So under country level, so we defined everything. Yep. This is the issue. Have we defined number ranges, sir? Document type for making payment ZP. Have we defined number range? I think so. We'll see if this is the right issue or not. /O OBS7. press position. What is the type? ZP, right? So ZP is used for making via payment program, the payment postings. Double click here. So document number range is 20. Have we created 20 number range? We'll see. AM01, change intervals. We don't have 20, sir. That's the reason. But system is not throwing error, sir. Here the system is not throwing message, but you have to identify. You have to figure it out. What could be the issue? Sometimes this log will not show exact errors. Okay. So here, go to the change mode. Click on 20 here. I mean, enter 20 number range 2025, and your what is the next number? 1101 to 200. 1200. We'll see. Press enter, save. Yep, this is accepting 11 to 1200. So continue. Come back. You can go back and execute the program once again. So here. So as I mentioned, sometimes system will not show the right error here. You have to identify the configurations. So what I'll do? The payment run completely has been cancelled, right? So payment run, or you can go to the payment, delete. So under menu, edit, payment, delete output. I want to delete it, sir. Click on yes. So everything. So again, here also I can click. Now I can just, if you want to restart, you can restart. So what I'll do, I'll delete proposal also. Not required, but let us delete it. Now what we'll do, click on proposal. Now continue. So press enter, or you can click status. Now click on, now let us see the display proposal. So I can see the green color mode. Under this one, we'll have all the items for which invoices you are making the payment. Okay, and come back. Now click on payment run. Click on start, means activate the start immediately. Click on continue. We'll see. So luckily, our assumption, the number range assumption was right. So system generated one completed, one supplier generated, one completed. So display proposal log, you can see the completed log here. So it has been updated with this document number, but this is a proposal document number. So go back to your open items here, back, execute it. So no open items exist now since we made the payment. You can give the date, today's date. So with today's date, we cleared all the items. Execute it. So with the today's date, we cleared all the items with 2,02,000. So it is clearing all the items with this document number 2002 1290 900. Clearing document number. Sir, any questions? Definitely, sir. You should get it, sir. You can try. You can also try, sir. So here, so it is paid with your ZP here. Okay. And I have one thing. So it is making in the two documents. So here, this is the one. Yep. System is clearing all the documents. It is updated with some exchange rate also, but it should be in your group currency. So this is a continue. Yep. Some exchange rate also is there. But this is fine. System is working accordingly, sir. Sir, give me 1 minute.